Welcome to Build Your 3D. In this video, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to create a fully customized pipe elbow using our online parametric configurator. Instead of designing complex pipe geometry in CAD software, simply enter your required dimensions, preview the model instantly, and generate a custom 3D model in just a few seconds. This configurator is ideal for custom piping, hydraulic systems, pneumatic applications, industrial prototypes, DIY projects, and many other engineering applications. Every dimension is generated automatically based on your input, ensuring the final model matches your requirements. Configuration 050 to 310. Begin entering the parameters one by one. Let's configure a custom pipe elbow. We'll start with the inner diameter. For this example, we'll enter 15 millimeters. The inner diameter defines the flow path through the pipe and should match the connected tubing or fittings. Next, we'll enter the outer diameter. We'll use 20 millimeters. This determines the wall thickness together with the inner diameter and affects both strength and overall size. Now let's define the bend angle. We'll choose 90 degrees. This specifies the direction change of the pipe and allows the elbow to fit perfectly into your piping system. Finally, we'll enter the arc length along the center line. For this example, we'll use 120 millimeters. The arc length controls the overall length of the bend while maintaining a smooth transition through the elbow. After entering the parameters, simply click Update Preview. Within seconds, the configurator generates a completely new pipe elbow based on the dimensions you've specified. No CAD software. No manual modeling. Just enter your dimensions and let Build Your 3D generate the geometry automatically. The interactive 3D viewer allows you to inspect the generated model from every angle. Rotate the elbow. Zoom in to examine the geometry. Verify the bend angle, wall thickness, and overall proportions before manufacturing or 3D printing. What you see is exactly the geometry generated from your parameters. Build Your 3D makes custom engineering components fast and accessible. Whether you're creating hydraulic systems, pneumatic piping, industrial prototypes, or custom mechanical projects, you can generate precisely dimensioned pipe elbows in just a few clicks. Visit buildyour3d.com to explore more parametric models and start creating your own custom 3D designs today. Thanks for watching.